everyone, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. It is your girl, Chrystle. We got Rain and whatever her brother is doing. Hey, stop it. Enough. You guys, this is what happens. It is Vlogmas day 15, I think, or something like that. It's Vlogmas, okay? And today I wanted to find out from Rain what she wants for Christmas. Rain?
Yes?
Come here. Come closer. Come to the light, my darling.
Darling.
My princess.
Okay.
Okay, so Rain, what do you want for Christmas?
I want a Barbie dream house.
I had a feeling you were going to say a Barbie dream house. Okay, what else do you want for Christmas?
A Barbie.
And a Barbie to do what with?
So I can play with my Barbie dream house.
So you can play with your Barbie dream. Okay, is there anything else you want for Christmas, Rain?
I think a pool and a Barbie camper.
Rain, you already have a Barbie camper.
I don't like the Barbie camper. It don't have a pool and it don't have a water slide.
What did you do with it? Didn't it come with one?
Yes, and I put it in my bathtub.
So it does have a pool and a water slide. You took it and put it in your bathtub.
No, Mommy, it don't have a water slide.
It doesn't. Okay, so you want something with a water slide. So you like the one you have, you just want one with a water slide also.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Handsome,
Yes.
what do you want for Christmas?
This is.
Christmas? Do you understand what I'm asking you?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want for Christmas? A Christmas?
Yeah.
You want a Christmas for Christmas?
Yeah.
I love that. And some of you might be thinking, hey, Rain is pretty easy if all she wants is a Barbie dream house. If you did not know, Barbie dream houses cost like $200. But yeah. So, Rain, tell everybody, how old are you? What is that?
4.
4. Yes. Okay, so Rain, guess what? You're going to get something for Christmas. And then also, Mommy is going to get you a surprise.
Great.
So you get 3 guesses to try to guess what is the surprise that Mommy's going to get you. So come over here. Come into the light. Okay. What's your first guess? What do you think it's going to be? Your surprise.
Surprise.
A surprise, Mr. Handsome?
Is it that package is my surprise?
No.
What?
That's something that's Daddy's. I don't know. You get 3 guesses. What do you think your surprise is going to be?
Another fastest car.
A fast car. Okay, that's one guess. Nope, that's not what it is. Take another guess.
How about a bicycle?
A bicycle? That's a good guess because you've been wanting a bicycle. But I don't know. Let's make one more guess. What's your last guess?
It is some new clothes.
Some new clothes? Would you like some new clothes?
Yes.
Ray, you might be the only child that asked for clothes for Christmas. Oh, hey, Mr. Handsome. You're back. Have you thought more about what you want for Christmas, Mr. Handsome? You want what? You want a what? An airplane?
Yeah.
He loves airplane, you guys. He loves airplanes. So you want an airplane for Christmas?
It's an airplane.
An airplane? An airplane and what?
Rickey.
Can you tell everybody how old you are, Mr. Handsome?
Yeah, I tried.
I don't think he's, I don't know. I don't know what he's talking.
He's
Oh, drums?
2
You
years
want
old.
drums?
He's 2 years old.
Yes, he's 2 years old. Mr. Hanson, tell everybody you're 2. Say 2.
2.
How old are you?
Down, Mommy.
Yes, I'm Mommy. You want to tell everybody Merry Christmas?
Christmas.
Yay, so sweet.
Merry Christmas.
I was going to say, Rain, you want to tell everybody Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Okay, you guys. So, what do you think I should get Rickey for Christmas? Now, that's a question. Not this little one that's wrestling on the couch, but the big one. He never really says what he wants for Christmas. It's like really hard to buy him gifts because he doesn't want to spend money on anything ever. So, I'm going to have to figure that out. But until next time, we've gotten the kids' wish list, which was our goal for today. And now, don't do that. Oh my gosh, you guys, you see what I'm dealing with here? Do you see this? All he wants to do is wrestle her all the time. And he's just gonna follow her. That's all he's gonna do. He's gonna follow her, and it's gonna keep happening. Be careful. You're gonna fall. Stop it. Stop it now. Okay, I'm gonna go now. So anyways, don't forget to continue to join us for Vlogmas again tomorrow, every day. All the vlogs. It's Christmas time, holiday season, whatnot. I am going to be showing you guys my Christmas decorations. Here's a little peek, boop. That's all you're going to get. And I will see you guys next time. You see Rain hitting it up with the Love Gang. Mr. Hanson, you going to say bye?
Bye.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Give that to your sister. Give that to your sister. That is her stuff. Anyways. All right, you guys. Until next time.